Telegram o. I shop on the Telegram. I shop on the group me about land o. I shop on the Telegram o. You are say, Mama Ozoro yo. I shop on the Telegram command. I shop on the Mama se command. The Mama me Obollo-Afor. You go there as Ozona. Mama Ozona me Bravo. Ozoro ijuju. Tradition and tradition. They not the tradition to dey play. We don't our play. They get tradition. Not dey forget tradition. So carry leaf for hand. Wetin dey happen?
No, this leaf na for the protection for the body. This one like this now, you shoot me go, boom! Not the enter. You control. Not the enter. And I'm more blessing. That be this leaf. So the simple chopper, more blessing. No quick starter, as his forefathers.
Mani bẹ́ẹ̀tọ̀ nù fún ni mẹ́fẹ́. Ìràwọ̀ ko ó bẹ́ kutu mana. Mo náà bẹ tẹ̀mẹ̀ náà sẹ́ náà kàjẹ́. Mẹ bẹ tẹ̀ mí náà wọlé díẹ̀. Wọ́n yẹ dẹ́ lawo wọ́n náà bọ̀ mẹ́bẹ̀ wọ́n lawo. Lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ mọ́. Ọ̀sàdé wú fọ́. Ìràwọ̀ ko.
Alright guys, so today I am live in the Ozoro for the Eni Okpe festival today, happening today. See that their sons and daughters are here to celebrate this wonderful festival today, which is their cultural festival. According to the history, this is where their forefathers settled when he migrated from Benin. This is the first place he settled. So they do this festival in remembrance of their forefathers, who was a great man, a warrior that settled for them, gave birth to them, and today they are here to celebrate this great wonderful memory of their father. So guys, follow me, I'll be taking you around to show you how the festival is going to happen today. You see that there's enough crowd. Like with the crowd I'm seeing here, I don't even know if anybody wants to skip this cultural festival today. So guys, yep. This is a wonderful festival that everybody is allowed to come in. Both women and men are allowed to come in to celebrate the festival with them. You see that, yes, the crowd is much. The crowd is extra. So guys, let's go. Hey, if you take a look at that, you see that, yes, I'm seeing different kind of masquerade here that they use in celebrating the feast today to remember their forefathers, their great forefathers that were very strong, that settled here. This is where it settled first. Yeah? I'm seeing this one today in a unique way. When you talk about festival, yeah, brother, how are you doing?
Fine.
Good afternoon. And you're ready for this event.
You feel like I can't play? I can't take my own blessing, no. In the year, now Ozoro now we do. In the year, we not the carry last.
Tradition and tradition. We not the tradition to dey play. We don't our play. They get tradition. Not dey forget tradition.
So carry leaf for hand. Wetin dey happen?
No, this leaf now for the protection for the body. This one like this now, you shoot me go, boom! Not the enter. You control. Not the enter. And I'm more blessing. That be this leaf. So the simple chopper, more blessing. No quick starter. That's his forefathers. Let's us go.
Let's go there. Hey, this is wonderful festival I'm seeing here today. Great festival. Yeah. And so, as they play the show, the dance is excellent, wonderful. And so.
Did you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's very great, man.
Enjoy yourself.
Yes, our culture, this is our culture.
Yes.
And we always do it every 3 years.
Every 3 years.
Every 3 years, we always do it. Yes,
What's be your name now? What's be your name?
Tina Resmena.
Yes.
This me.
You're from Ozoro here.
I'm from Ozoro Kingdom.
Yes.
Father, mother, Ozoro Kingdom.
Yeah, well done, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Arts and crafts, and you?
I Chief Hope Akasa, JP, the Nuer of Uwe, the Prime Minister of Uwe Kingdom.
So what's the festival that is going on here today? I see that everybody is set here to celebrate this great festival here today in this great kingdom.
The festival is a unique festival for the Ozoro family community. So it's worth celebrating to unite the kingdom, to unite the people of the Ozoro and the royal father. So it's quite unique.
It's done every year.
Yes.
Festival that bring both the sons and daughters home and abroad together to celebrate.
Exactly. To
unite them together.
Unite them together. Just now, what happened? They offer prayer to each other and choke each other's hand. That's the sign of unity. But we are from Uwe people. We have relationship, common culture with the Ozoro, the Isoko. That is why they invite us to come and share with them.
All right, thank you very much, sir. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
mako bobi. Uche akoji, uche akoreda, uche akobeda.
Okay, you are there. And then what was down there? Okay, inside here. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Absolutely, madam.
I'm Dimat and Craft, and you?
I'm Shasta Digbe.
You're from where, sir?
From Ozoro here.
Taking a look at the whole background, you see that people are celebrating a cultural festival today, that people are coming from different places to celebrate. What's the festival?
The festival is the traditional how our forefathers find this town, land. That's why we are remember how you say land this community and find this community.
You could do it in remembrance of your forefathers?
Yes, because this is where he land, the first place he land in this community.
This is the first place he land when he came in?
Yes, as a community.
So this is where he settled first?
Yes.
So when he migrated, he settled here first, and this festival is to remember in memory of him?
Every 3 years.
Every 3 years?
Yes.
You could do it every 3 years?
Yes.
And anywhere you are, sons and daughters, your children, anywhere they are, they come home to celebrate the festival?
Celebrate with us.
Okay. When I was coming, they told me that there's a festival they do outside there before they do this one. Can you tell me more? Like when you're doing the festival, they celebrate for the wife or the mother outside there before coming to here?
Anybody can come, so far you are the community person. Or even outsider can come to worship how we do our festival.
There's one outside there that women worship outside there. They celebrate. Who they plant the plantain? The banana.
Plantain. Now, our father Nancy planted for that place before, but he not did that again.
Okay, no day again, but again, what's not they remember the place?
Now be the pantry when he represent. So if that pantry fall, anytime he wrap and fall, anybody pick and when don't they get child, they go receive child.
They land right before, they know they cut them.
That's how the women did it. They know they tap on. Now so
and if you're looking for fruit of the one, we go there, pick and you get.
Now so be.
And this festival is done every 3 years.
Every 3 years.
You know, get any year one and not do, any 3 years one and not do.
No, if they're not doing it, they must remember smallly.
Okay,
they
go do and
small. They must do it small. You know, come big like this.
Okay.
Now so it be.
Yeah. But like this one, I carry knife. What do you mean? The knife one I carry.
As our father take fan road, say from Benin, reach Ozoro here. Okay. Now we replace the forefather, so now be this one we carry.
Now what you take fine road to reach here?
If you looking for there, you go see her. That's the culture we dress, so yes.
Okay. And your dressing? Your dressing where you wear?
My dressing now be the dress of the main forefather when he found this place. Now be that to put here when they move for this so.
Now say dress code.
Yes. Now only that this thing. Now we know they carry.
Okay, now they carry stick
that
for
one.
here.
Yeah, that iron this thing when he hold as a walking stick.
Now they carry
that
stick.
staff. We know they carry. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. But women, are they allowed to go inside?
Woman? Yes, now woman did there now.
Women did there?
Yes.
Any whether small or big?
He did there. Okay. But if the car don't too much, all the small people they go drive them, they not injure.
Okay. You know they forbid women to enter.
They know they forbid anybody. Okay. Nobody forbid nobody. Anybody can go in. You receive your blessing. If anything, as far as you are a citizen or you are not a citizen, if you come for anything, you request for it, he can do it for you. If your mind is clean to what you reserve.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
thank you. Thank you.
Well done.
Masquerade go dance.
Tomorrow, masquerade. afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Well done, ma.
I'm Dimat and Craft. Are you?
I'm Bobutu Julius.
Okay. You're from where?
I'm from Ozoro, yeah. I'm eating of this Ozoro. We are doing our festival, Eni Okpe festival.
Okay. What is the festival like?
Hello?
What is the festival like? Can you tell me more about the festival people are doing today that everybody is here to celebrate the festival?
Yes. The celebration is our culture for Ozoro, yeah. Both men, women, everybody, different culture come here and celebrate together for 3 years. Once 3 years.
Okay, every 3 years that you put.
Yes, every 3 years.
Okay, this event people do in remembrance of your forefathers.
Yes, exactly. To remember our forefathers as they do as usual.
Wetin you dey tell your brothers, your daughters, your sons wey no dey around, wey dey abroad, wey no come for the event? Wetin you dey tell, because this event na wetin dey bring una together?
Most of them are here because of lack of fuel. Otherwise, everybody supposed to call here, both men, women, wherever you are. From London, wherever you are, from Lagos, from Benin, wherever you are, you have to come because once in 3 years.
Sir, talking about this festival, how do you people use this festival to unite yourself?
People are very happy to be here from Europe or Canada, any country that come here. We got the feast of the festival we are doing for once in a year, 3 years in a year. They are very happy.
And Craft, and you?
My name is Ufoma Ohewi.
Your name is
Ufoma Ohewi.
Ufoma
Ohewi.
Okay. Looking at you, you're dressed in epic, cultural, traditional today. What can you tell me more about your dress and what is happening here today that you're dressing in this cultural attire today?
My cultural dance today is the tradition of our town. It's a Okpe kingdom. As a traditional man, we have a traditional cultural dance, different location and different type of this. And with my dressing today is Opute at Ala Square. You understand? So I dress like Opute at Ala Square, and this Ozoro, one of Ozoro kingdom in tradition kingdom, Ozoro kingdom.
So how did you see the festival celebrating today? How did you see the festival? I know there's a lot of crowd. People came all the way, different places, different countries to celebrate the festival. How do you see the festival today?
The festival today was very nice, beautiful. As a tradition, Obollo-Afor was tried a lot, tried the best and do it very nice, possible. But I believe that we God be the glory. The next year will more than this.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. We are live in Ozoro. Yes, today is a great festival. You see that, yes, today I saw a lot of people. Like, this is a festival that I saw that people came out in massive numbers to celebrate their festival today in Eni Okpe. Today is the Eni Okpe Cultural Festival today, and it's wonderful. Take a look at my back. You see that, yes, their sons and daughters came all the way from, some people came from America, some people came from Canada, some people came from different states in Nigeria to celebrate this wonderful festival. According to them, they said that this is just the beginning. So guys, I'm here to witness this wonderful event today. You see that, yes, they're all outside to celebrate their festival. You see how they're celebrating their festival, running around, having fun. Yes, so it's fun here. So follow me, let's go. It's a great cultural festival that I witnessed today that is wonderful and it's fun. People are out and they celebrated their, according to their culture, today is the feast that they celebrate in memory, remembrance of their forefathers, where he settled first, where he settled when he migrated. They celebrate it to remember the great father who gave birth to them today. So it's a wonderful event that they do not joke with. That they celebrate every 3 years, but if you bad, like that they do not do it, they do it small, but they do it every year to remember their forefathers. So guys, let's go. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
I'm doing Arts and Crafts, and you? Your name, ma'am?
My name is Naleke.
You're from where?
I'm from Ozoro.
You're from here?
Uruto Quarter.
Okay. This one you dress like this, you know, say me I dress different, you dress like the queen wey dey for the festival. Like wetin dey happen yesterday wey make you dress like this, come out?
We dey do Ozoro festival. That is Eni Okpe. Now we dey serve. As we dey serve, so we dey serve am. Make any better thing when e dey for Ozoro, make it good for everybody. Now we take the serve am. And we dey do am every year.
You follow for the daughters wey dey worship am, you just choose to dress like this?
I follow the people when they dey worship the Eni Okpe. Me na I work for the Eni Okpe.
You na work? Okay. Wetin the title mean? Wetin the name mean for them?
The title is me who near the juju.
Who dey near the juju?
You know when they work for inside the juju.
So now they write for you. Okay, they don't write.
They don't write anything.
I see you dress. I say yes. Mama dey the system. Mama na pure cultural woman. Just in culture. White. Wetin white mean as you dress like this?
White, white na white things. And in the juju where we dey serve na white juju. Na we dey serve. No be dirty juju.
You know they like dirty. So now they dress white, neat. Okay.